Amid concerns about cracks on the Mandela Highway Bridge, the National Works Agency is insisting that the structure presents no imminent danger. So how bad is it? We have the details in this story.
$64 million later and nearly a month after it was scheduled to be completed, there are already concerns about the structural integrity of segments of the Mandela Highway Road project. Motorists who frequent the area pointed us to the overhead bridge. They did not want to appear on camera, but brought our attention to several cracks on the recently erected bridge. Cracks like this one, where it appears attempts have been made to remedy the situation. The people are even more worried given the fact that sections of the Chesterfield Road bypass constructed by the same Chinese contractors did not stand up to heavy rainfall last weekend. We sought a response from the National Works Agency, where the Chief Executive Officer, E.G. Hunter, insisted that the Mandela Highway Bridge was constructed with solid integrity. In a statement, he explained that the cracks are in the wing walls. These act as retaining walls. We sought further clarification from Communications and Customer Service Manager Stephen Shaw.
The wing walls that help to hold the fill that persons would observe, that is the fill that is used to create that embankment for the persons to be able to ramp up and down from the overhead bridge. Those walls, one is actually shifted a little bit, and so we have a fix for that.
That solution, the use of granular material, which the NWA says will assist in securing the wing walls. The NWA also gave an explanation why pieces of wood were being used to reinforce guardrails. Simply put, the CEO noted that this is standard and will assist in ensuring this critical safety feature functions as intended, which is saving lives. But generally speaking, the NWA appears to be satisfied with the work done so far.
We are not even yet within the defects liability period. So whatever defects are spotted now and are going to be treated with, we are still outside of the defects liability period, which means when we get into that period, the contractor will still have a responsibility should we see further weakness or any weakness at all in respect of that carriageway and all the other major projects that are now on the way in Kingston and certainly in Westmoreland.
Having missed 2 deadlines, it is now hoped that the 6-lane road will be completed in the first quarter of 2019.